Hi, and welcome to the tutorial video of the Ballistic Nylon Folio case that is compatible with Chromebooks and laptops. Start by sliding your screen under the two clear plastic straps at the top of the case. Then, lift the nylon straps over the two corners of the keyboard side of your laptop. Your device is now sitting on the anti-slip lining. Your school or company logo can be embossed onto the front side to personalize your case, and the ID card slot fits a standard-size business card. The Ballistic Nylon Folio features a comfortable carry handle which lays flat when not in use. On either side of the handle, there are plastic rings to attach a comfortable and sturdy shoulder strap. The red plush padded cushion surrounds the screen for extra protection. The straps holding the screen in place are clear to allow for 100% screen visibility. Heavy-duty ribbed nylon straps secure the laptop in place on the keyboard side of the laptop. The double zippers not only ensure easy opening and closing of the case, but allow easy access to all ports while using your device. Thanks to the rigid construction of the case with wide edges and padded corners, your device will remain safe at all times when dropped from as high as 6 feet. And don't forget, all our cases always come with free custom logo embossing, a 10-year warranty, and free shipping.